What's up, guys? I just happened to smell the brand new fragrance from Matiere Primiere, which is Metal Lavender. Um, Metal Lavender, as you can tell from the name, it is a lavender fragrance. So what's unique about this one is that it used the lavender as the main character of this fragrance, whereas other perfumes they use lavender as a spice of their perfume, right? But this one had made the lavender so dominant, and I heard that there are two lavenders that has been used in Metal Lavender, which is one one is the lavender called lavendin, and the other one is just a normal lavender, organic lavender. The first lavender I said, like the lavendin lavender, they say they give off a very metallic vibe, so metallic, clean vibe. So and the original organic lavender gives you a very soapy, soft vibe. So both of them combined is I felt really unique. So this is not just a normal lavender fragrance. So it is very modern and somehow very sensual. Yeah, it's very sexy in a very modern way. It's not like sweet sexy. It's like a very modern. Yeah. So and I think it reminded me of the like a white shirts, very clean and tidy white shirts with um, a button up at the top, and also someone's wearing a nice white shirt, walking around the lavender garden full of lavender in a morning, in a quiet morning time, with some nice breeze, going around. So yeah, so this one was very unique. Uh, I I personally hope this Metal Lavender scent. I hope Matiere Premier to make it as a body wash as well, because this one would be so can't be more perfect when it would be used as a like a body cleanser or like the body wash, and also hopefully the shampoo as well. So yeah, I definitely recommend you guys to try this one out. So this is very unique. Yeah, I hope I'll see you in the next one.